Hi everybody, it's Jennifer. I was gifted some Martini glasses. They are plastic, great for parties, but they are so much more. These are so versatile. You could make them a Martini glass, or you could use them as a dessert cup. This is the box that they come in. It's great. Everything fits in here, but I'm already taking some out so I can demonstrate for you. So you get the top part of the cup and the bottom part. You also get some stems. Okay, you can put the stem into the base and then the top part on. Look at that. I love the glitter. I love the sparkle. Amazing. I'm going to show you a close-up at the end, so stay tuned. Option number 2 is to just put the cup part in the base, and then you have a dessert cup. So here are your 2 options. I love these. These are sturdier than the plastic champagne flutes that you see often. Love this. They have a good base, and these are going to not fall over, so that's a huge pro. Of course, you can use it for a drink, but I actually love this. It also comes with these toothpicks, and they have this little gold ball on the top. Super pretty. So you get all of these, and I love to serve hors d'oeuvres in these. So I just took some cubed cheese and tomatoes. Nothing fancy, but look at that. It makes it special. A kebab makes everything special. And pro tip, you moms out there, if your kids won't eat all the good things, make it a kebab, and I'll tell you, they will eat it. How cute is this little parfait? Super cute. Again, pro tip, moms, these are great for kids' parties because anything that you put in here, kids are going to eat because it just looks better. And then last but certainly not least, I love this for a dessert moment when you're having the holidays. You can put a few different treats in here and people can pick that up and walk around. So again, you get the top parts, the stem and the base. You can make the dessert cup or the martini glass, plus you get all of the skewers. Of course, if you were making a martini, you'd put an olive in there and that would look beautiful. But I do love that you can use these for so much more. So let's take a close-up. Goes without saying, I love these and highly recommend. Okay, here is a close-up of the 50 plastic martini glasses. Again, you can make them tall or short. You also get 100 cocktail sticks. These are beautiful and so easy to put together. Definitely check them out.